Hey everyone, just posting this for anybody else that's having turbocharger issues with your Ford Explorer. So mine had a rattling in it, was on cold starts, and then driving and letting off the gas. Thought it was a heat shield or something just sounded loose. So, after dealing with it for a while, we just let it go, just thinking it should be no big deal. Down the road it got worse, ended up getting popping a code for a turbocharge underboost, and what it actually ends up being is a wastegate valve here. Again, I mean, all of them have movement, but this one has a ton of movement, and when the air is coming through here, that's just going 90 to nothing, it'll just rattle. You hear that, I guess, not making sounds, but anyways, sorry about the bad sound effects, but that's what it was. Plus, it's got a bunch of movement in and out. The new one I put in didn't have that much movement, but it had some movement, but not this much all the way through it. So that just vibrating 90 to nothing, and then so the movement in here, and then you can see when it closes, or trying to close it anyways, it doesn't seat really flush, even though it should, because all the movement. I know you can slide it over and it might sit, but again, still had plenty of movement, and that just rattling around. And I know you can order this, but to fix all this, it's impossible. So you pretty much have to order, that I know of, either know somebody that rebuilds turbochargers, or got to order the whole assembly. And it's kind of a booger to change out, but it can be done. Anyways, that's my 2 cents. My rattling issue was, again, the wastegate valve, door, whatever you want to call it. Put the new one in, rattling's gone. So that's it. And of course, in here too, you can see down below, it's kind of hard to see, you can see a major wear region in here that is just worn out from just rattling all over the place. But again, I see on the forum people talking about maybe a heat shield being loose, or this and that, and well, unfortunately, like I said, it ended up being this nice turbocharger that didn't even last 5 years. Anyways, hope it helps. Bye.